Welcome back to the last video for 11.3. We're just going to finish up the last problem, which is number 9. So for this one, we have the whole thing is a trapezoid, and then we want to subtract out a semicircle. Okay, we're subtracting out a semicircle. Now for this one, what we're going to have to do is we have to find the height of that trapezoid. We know the two bases are 37 and 17. Now to find the height of that, what we're going to do is I'm just going to make a right triangle right here. Does everyone see that? That's a right triangle. It's going straight down because we have two right angles over here and here, so we can do that. We can cut that out. Now, we know the top base there, top base, and it doesn't make sense, but hey, base, let's call it base 1, all right? And this can be base 2. So base 1 is 17, base 2 is 37. So to find this part, right here, we just do 37 minus 17, which gives us 20. And then we're going to find the height of that trapezoid by using Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to take, it's just going to be, let's call that x. So it's going to be x squared plus 20 squared equals 25 squared. And when we do that, x, we got to subtract. X squared equals 225. So x equals 15. So over there, instead of x, now we have 15. So the area of the trapezoid equals 1/2 our height, which is 15, times, we just add our bases up, which are 17 and 37. Now, do that first. Do the 17 plus 37, your calculator first. Multiply that by 15, divide by 2. That's going to give you 405. Okay? Now, we have to find out that area of the non-shaded portion, which is the area of our circle, even though it's a semicircle. So a semicircle, what do? We take half of a circle. So we're going to take half of pi r squared. So when we do that, pi, and then we got to figure out what the radius is. Now, if you look here, this part's 15. We have a right angle, meaning this part over here, all right, the diameter of that circle is going to be 15. So now, how do we find just that part right there, the radius? Well, we divide it by 2. So we take that 15 divided by 2, and that gives us a radius of 7.5. Okay, so 7.5 is the length from the center to the outside of the circle. 7.5, again, 15 divided by 2. So 1/2, because it's a semicircle, we're taking half of a circle, and then our radius is 7.5 squared. When we do that, we get an answer of 88.36. So our whole area is the trapezoid. So to find the area of the shaded region, we're going to take the whole thing, which is 405, subtract out 88.36, and to find the area of the shaded region is just going to be 316.64 inches squared. All right, guys. So if you have any questions or you need any further help or anything like that, please feel free to shoot me an email. So guys, if you are struggling, I really want you to communicate with me. I promise we'll figure it out and figure a way to help you guys out and make sure you understand this. So I just want you to be aware of that. And if you have any questions, get in contact with me. And I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.